Yes, welcome back. Yeah, your certificate has come to me. Just now I have received your certificate, right?
Okay, sir.
You will be getting your certificate once you say you have learned something. If you say you didn't learn something, I will just hold your certificate with me. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Right?
Sure, sir.
I'm happy that you are asking
Yes,
question.
sir.
You have to ask question. You don't worry about me either I'll be responding or not. You have to ask question,
Okay, sir.
right? You have to ask
Yes,
plenty
sir.
of questions. I won't mind.
Okay, sir.
Okay, once again, I will share the screen. This is actually one of the problem in Zoom. All the time we need to share the screen. Okay. Yes, Jacob?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have come back. Some
Yeah.
problem is there in your laptop or maybe in microphone or somewhere.
The net.
Huh?
Uh, Sir, some net problem.
Apart of that, some voice problem also is there, sound problem. Okay, so another option is that Galaxy 3D structures generated for this. So here you can say that here itself I have taken that smile notations already were there. This is smile notation for trichostatin actually, right? Generate 3D structures for this, and here uh, you can see this is the trichostatin, right? And these are the rendering methods are there like CPK dotted. CPK methods already is there. If you want in dotted structures, tubes, if you want wires, you want like that. This is trichostatin. This 3D structure, right? And I have taken surface coloring. If you want to use any surface coloring, you can use it. And this surface area is there none. And here mole file. Important is mole file if you want to take for your further study. So mole file you can download it from here itself. This is mole file, and same mole file you can copy it, and control A you can do it, copy it, and you can paste it here in any WordPad and save as mole file. Already I have given the demo on this, right? So you can do plenty of things you can do it here. Now, if you want to search the similar databases and all, so you can do that molecular databases, structure and substructure similarity, add structure similar search capacity. capability of your company's database compound, allow customs, and then here is substructures and similarity search is there. If you say that this is trichostatin, which we have already copied, and if you want to search for this molecule, it will search that either similar structure or substructures of this entire, if you can say that here. So plenty of results you will be getting, how many molecules are having the similars and what are the similarity index of these molecules, right? And like hundreds of molecules will be there, hundreds of molecules, you can say that hundreds of molecules. And this molecule also can be taken for your study, similar structure. And there are possibilities are there. Okay, out of this, these are the similar structure of trichostatins. And trichostatin is known for the activity because it's available in co-crystal form. In all these properties are available, their biological response are available, their IC50 values are available, toxicity is available, everything. But that these things are not available for their similar structures. So there are possibilities are there, like these similar structures may give the good response than the trichostatin. We need to find out. That's how we do that virtual screening and all. Are you getting or not? Yes. So if you go to the next page, so similar things you will be getting. So thousands of structure will be getting. Next, right? So plenty of structures you will be getting. So you can see here always. So I believe that like molecular 3D structure, if you want to substructure also, you can search it similar fashion, right? No hits are there for substructures, no hit. So that means only the similar structures are there. Substructures are not available for this trichostatin. Are you getting? Yes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So properties we have seen, the properties, right? And for this properties, we have predicted the biological activity. So that means here, this supports also the QSAR, right? So how this properties which are there for this molecule in terms of the number of hydrogen bond acceptor, number of hydrogen bond donor, log P value. Log P value, you know what is log P value? Is there any confusion in that? Log P?
No, sir.
Do you know log P?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So all the drugs, right? All the drug type of molecule should have that alcohol content, right? Alcohol content. Here is also OH is there in this screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
OH is there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So OH. So these are the content of the alcohol with respect to water. It's called the log P value,
Okay, sir.
right? And that
Yes, sir.
should be less than 5, right? This
Okay, sir.
log P value also is called that octanol water coefficient. What do we say? Octanol water coefficient. Octanol is itself a alcohol, right?
So log P and alcohol content is related.
Yes.
What did you say, sir? Log P will check the alcohol content.
With respect to water, yes. With respect to water, that range should be less than 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, some parameters are there. Okay, so these properties are responding in terms of the GPCR ligand 0.05 and their concentrations in terms of the IC50 value will be there. Enzyme inhibitors response, yeah, inhibitors, IC50 inhibitory properties is called 0.63 IC50 value. In protease inhibitors is responding 0.2, nuclear receptors 0.38, kinase inhibitors as a 0.06, and enzyme inhibitors is a 0.63. This is called the IC50 value. So these properties are responding for this biological response. It's clear? Okay. So,
Okay, sir.
and here you can see that bioactivity scores also. You can read this so you can understand. Is clear? So
Yes, sir.
I will not give any, maybe if you want me to give any hands-on based on this mole aspiration, I can give to you. But it's very easy. Do you want me to give any hands-on on this? I think if you do, you can do better. Yes? Can I hear from you? Can I hear from you? Lauren, Sharon?
Sir, it's okay, sir.
Huh?
It's okay, sir, if we have, yeah.
You are not audible actually. Yeah, can you raise your voice little?
Sir, it's okay, sir, if we have, but if we don't have also, it's okay, I guess, sir.
No, you tell me you want or not. If you want, I can put it. If you don't want, you can do yourself.
Okay, sir, we'll have it.
Okay, you'll have it. Okay, so after the class, I'll be uploading that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and please, you take at least 20, 30 molecules for calculating the properties so that we can do some analysis by using QSR modeling. Hmm? Yes, I'll take your data alone. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now shall we go ahead for that one another softwares I'll be introducing now to you, and many online tools are there, but I'm not introducing some because you have to learn how to work on the softwares, right? Also, is clear, right? So this software is called that Argus Lab. Argus Lab, where actually you have to see that stability of your molecules, energy level of your molecules, right? So first we will calculate after that first screening based on the Lipinski rule of 5. Second screening will be based on that energy minimization methods. So you must have that good quality of the molecules in your hand and stable structures in your hand. So Argus Lab, you have to download it. Argus Lab, download. Can you see my Google browser, where I'm typing?
Yes, sir.
So Argus Lab, you have to download it from Argus Lab download. It's available in that softonic.com, right? You go there, or you go to the Argus Lab sites itself. You can download from there itself. So download for window. Once you download, you can install it. It's clear? Yes. Download for window. It will come via antivirus or something. You come there, you download here. Download this PC. Why it's coming this? Okay, here, download Argus Lab. So it's getting download, but I'm not downloading here. Okay, it's not coming. Yeah, here you can see my taskbar. It's getting downloaded. Where morning I have downloaded, na? Yes. Can you see? Yeah, can I hear from you?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this that softwares got downloaded, right?
Yeah.
And you
Yes,
have
sir.
to
We can
install
see
it. I'm not going to install. You have to install it. right? Because
Okay,
I have
sir.
already installed in my system, morning. Yes, you unzip
Yes.
it. This is your thing. You unzip it. Like here itself, you can unzip it straight here. So you will be getting one Argus Lab folder somewhere here. Argus Lab here. Can you see?
No, sir.
No, because it has gone to their domain. Again, I have to share that one. Uh, yeah, can you see here?
No, sir.
Can you see now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So read me after that unzipping. Na, this is the form. This is. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So after unzipping this, it will come and you have to run this one. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Argus Lab, right? So now I have Argus Lab here. Argus Lab already I have installed Argus Lab, right? Can you see the Argus Lab? No.
No, sir.
Yeah, that is the problem here in Zoom. Mm, tomorrow I will be
So
using
we'll try
Gmeet.
Gmeet once again.
Gmeet is very nice actually.
Okay.
Everything, right? It's very user friendly. Yeah, here can you see Argus Lab?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here lot of options are there. The option will activate once you invoke your molecule into the domain. So here I am just calling one molecule called trichostatin. Is this visible for you?
Yes, sir.
How I am doing is visible.
Yes, sir.
Your file is there in courses, value added courses. In this mol file, if you say that, here trichostatin is there, right?
Okay, sir.
Can you see the TSN? Yes,
Yes, sir. I can see it.
I have opened there. What is the problem in this file? Some file problem is there. And this is okay. For example, I'll take another molecule. I think this some problem is there with this molecule. I'll take another molecule, acetaminophen. Can you see that? I'll check with
Yes, sir.
trichostatin. You take it from directly from that database, right? Maybe while saving this molecule, some problem item or some bond missing or some problem is there, right? Because time is not there. Just a second. I have to put in charge. Sorry for inconvenience. Yes. Okay. So can you see this molecule?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can say that once we have uploaded the molecules, all the menus and tools are got activated, right? So in that you can say that plenty things are there and you have to explore all the tools. If you take the molecules, your cursors in that, so it will show that what is this menu meant for, and this is like a run calculations, add that, show the molecules in the current windows, remove hydrogens, delete hydrogens, add hydrogens, right? Okay, whenever is required, you can see that this is a resume the activate window collection, calculations. This is that single point energy calculations are there, and geometry optimization calculations are there. So these things we can do here also. These all energy geometry optimizations, dock a ligand, dock a databases and all. So docking ligand and databases and all we will be doing from here itself. So based on that, I have given that assignment to you. Yeah, means hands-on to you, and everything is mentioned there. You try it out and you submit before 25th. Date is there. After that, link will be deactive, and if you submit, it will come to me, but it will be late submission or something will be there, right? So you can say that once we uploaded acetaminophen, here couple of folders has been created by default. In that first folders meant for the atoms, what are the atoms are there in this molecule. Second folders for the residues and miscellaneous. Generally these residues will be activated, and information will be there inside this folder once we upload the protein. Got it? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Once we upload the protein, because we have uploaded here a small molecule. So those things, atoms is there. In atoms also you can say that another, so these all the drop down will be there always, plus minus, you can do it. Right. Residues, miscellaneous 0. Values is there because we did not incorporate here that what? The protein, right? And the groups will be there when we take this molecule, these two molecules, like our two residues or two functional group. Some chat is there. I'm eating nodules and sipping on chai, and all gone this problem if it's chance to keep going on. Thomas, I'm not able to hear you. Thomas? Thomas? Thomas having some problem. Can I see you all? Some messages come. Yeah. Thomas? Thomas is having some problem. Okay. Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But Thomas has sent message, I am not audible, not able to hear. What is the problem? But you people can hear me, no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's audible only.
But what is the problem with Thomas?
Sir, maybe his side internet is not there.
Anyway, okay. So the group folders, the data will be there inside when we work with the two molecules or two atoms, and we are grouping it together, right? Isn't it? And this is required for the docking. We have to take that uh, residues of proteins and the atoms of the ligands, trichostatin, for making group. Sometimes we need to have the group of ligands and group of external molecules like a similar molecule of trichostatin. Are you getting or not? Which we are going to take for our studies. Those things also we can take it. So we can make a group. So the group folders will be activated and the data will be there inside once we will be grouping two different molecule or atoms together. And calculations also folder will be will be activated when we will do some calculations, right? Then the data will be incorporated in this folder automatically. So here I am going to here as usual file option is there, import, export, open, save as option will be there, edit, all the editing part will be there, copy, paste, a hidden molecule, add atoms, zooming, clean, and this editing part will be, all these things will be there, right? Another part is view, how you are viewing your molecules, color in the same manners, different rendering methods, then you can do it. Here calculation is more important tab for this softwares where all the informations are will be there to calculate, right? Like energy, optimizing geometries, right? And Gaussian algorithms and docker ligand, docker database, run the jobs, when they kill the jobs, suspend the jobs, resume the jobs will be there. And if you want to make a surface of your molecule, you make surface, and the surface type will be there, solvent accessible surface area, that is called the SASA, solvent accessible surface, the area which is accessible for the solvent water molecule, that is called the solvent accessible surface area, SASA. And that based on that surface you can plot, you can show that surface based on the HOMO. HOMO is the highest occupied molecular orbital, based on the LUMO, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. These are the properties of the molecule. You may not understand these things now, but these are the properties of the molecules. And that this is also a quick plot of energy surface map for that. Then density map is there for this also, you can calculate it. Then monitors, distance, angle, that you can do from here also. Then atom settings and tools, builder tools are there. You can build the molecules, draw the molecule, and they view the molecule in tree views and all, right? Then help. So more important thing is we are using that. Why we use this Argus lab? To see the energy level of the molecule, right? To see that energy level of the molecule. What is the energy of this molecule? Once we see the energy is in the lowest minima position, lowest global minima. If it's occupy at 10, that minimum energy level, then only we can say that molecule is more stable. Is clear? So let us have a look on this, how we calculate that energy. So click on this. Is it visible, this window?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharon?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I can
sir.
see.
Yeah. Yeah, please, you can mute it. I don't think any disturbance is there from your side, right?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
fine. If any disturbance will be there, I will ask you to mute it. You unmute it, right? Okay.
Okay, okay. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. So now calculation is there, calculation, and then energy level, you go to their energy for calculating energy. Same things, same window will be there for while calculating that energy of the big molecules also, right? But algorithm will change. Are you getting or not? Already you know that for small molecules, the quantum mechanics we use. For big molecules, molecular mechanics we use, right? Already we have discussed before, yes? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Molecular mechanics and that quantum mechanics. So these are the force field. AM1, PM3, MNDO, ZNDO. So already you know that without force field, we cannot interrupt the molecule, disturb the molecules. And force field is a mathematical equations which returns energy in terms of the bonded and non-bonded interactions.
Non-bonded.
Right? Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, and that force field based on molecular mechanics and quantum mechanics force field is different from the molecular mechanics force field. Molecular mechanics force fields, this is that UFF, one force is there. UFF, I forgot what is mean for U. FF is force field. Okay, I'll get you back because I forgot totally. Right?
Okay.
Okay. And amber is that. Amber is also one of the force field, right? And here is amber is the abbreviation actually. The full forms are there also, right? That is full form. Okay, that also I forgot, right? Full form of
So
AMBER, right?
UFF is universal force field, I think, sir.
Universal force field. That's correct. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. You are Googling or somewhere? Yeah.
Yeah, I googled it, sir.
Okay. AMBER also is there assisted molecular building energy refinement. I think something is there, right? Force field.
I'll check. So
Okay. Isn't it? Assisted molecular building energy refinement. Force field. Yeah. And like that also you may Google it like EST AM1 because it's a human mind only, human dabba na. You cannot memorize everything, right? Okay. Okay, so AM1, PM3, MN2, ZNDO. So this is since it's a small molecule, we will be using that quantum mechanics. So let us see that AM1 by default, right? And if you want to calculate that properties here also, we can calculate dipole moment, the charges. This is also ZDO charges and bond order if you want, right? And here is that, here is that molecular iterations are there. So you know that energy levels is not like will be attaining only in one cycle. And average is mentioning here 200 cycles. If suppose energy is not getting attained, means minimum energy is not getting attained in a 200 cycle, then we have to increase the cycle. Are you getting or not? So it will show you if it's not getting converged into that minimum energy level, that is called the global minima. It will show you it didn't converge it into that minimum energy level. If it didn't convert, then you have to increase the iterations. Is clear?
no,
Right?
sir.
Okay. So now uniform electric field is there. So these are the keeping by default all these things. And then you start it. So once you start, you can see here down. You can see here. Can you see here?
No, sir.
Can you see?
Um,
Yes,
Sir.
right?
Sir.
So in
Yes.
different cycle energy is there. And the molecular properties are also is there. So now you can see that here final SCF energy is converted. SCF converted. Can you see the SCF converged?
Yes, sir.
And final energy is 73. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as per example, I am running again this molecule. I gave only that 200 molecule. 46 is getting converged. In 46 cycle, it getting converged. Are you getting? Yes? You can see another cycle from first to second, right? Can you see here? Can you see all the cycle, number of cycle?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Down, you see the my cursor. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just scrolling. Can you see the cursor?
Yes,
43,
sir.
41,
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3 is coming, something?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see here?
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the cycle actually. Because here Zoom also taskbar is there, na? That's why
Okay.
you see that cycle. Can you see
Yes,
the
sir.
my cursor cycle
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
and energy, right?
Yeah,
So
yes,
these
sir.
are the different cycles are there. 1, 2, 3, 40, and so in that 46 cycle it getting converged. Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
So suppose if I say energy calculation, again I am doing, I give 40 cycle, right? And then start, right? So now you can say that SCF not converged. Why? SCF not converged. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Right? Maximum cycle, whatever we have defined is reached. But
Okay.
molecule did not occupy the global minima position. Why? Because by default it was 200 cycle. And this molecule used 46 cycle to attain that global minima. Are you getting?
So,
Okay.
can you repeat what you told about energy and number of cycles and convert, sir? I didn't get that point. What is that relationship that you just told?
Sharon is speaking, right?
Yes, sir. I'm Sharon speaking.
Okay. Sharon, can you see here? First cycle I have given here energy value, energy calculation
Huh.
of this molecule, right?
Yes, sir. And number of cycles?
Number of
40.
cycles before it was 200. Say I say that 200, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a minimum. By default cycle was there 200, right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, then I put start. And then it is converged into 46 cycle. It doesn't need 200 cycle. Because for attaining global minima, it needs only 46 cycle.
So we are converging or the software is converging?
Software is converging. Software is
Oh.
working.
Okay.
We are not converging.
And so what is SCF?
Huh?
So what is SCF?
That is the final convergence. Cycle final conversion.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting or not? In this
Yes, sir.
step, cycle final conversion is there.
Okay, okay.
SCF.
Okay, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
the final SCF energy, that is
Okay.
the cycle energy.
So how did 200 become 46? That we don't know. That only the software knows that.
No, 200 doesn't become 46. 46 cycle, only this molecule required to give the energy, minimum energy. And then it gave the result.
Sir, she's asking whether 200, like you changed the setting to 200, from 200 to 46. Like why you did that? Can't we just keep it 200? That's what she's asking.
No, that's why you did not see the before.
No, that I
200,
understood. No,
200
but
cycle was by default.
and the software only changed it to 46, no, sir. So that
No,
we
software
don't.
did not change the 46. I changed the 46.
Oh, sir, you told software changed.
Software did not change. Software is not changing. Out of 200 cycle, only 46 cycle
May-
needed for converting, for conversion, for giving the minimum energy value.
So how do you know that it is 46, sir, out of 200?
I didn't know that. Software only that molecule got stable and it has come out from the cycle. Energy got the global minima value, energy value, and come out from the cycle. Why it needs 200? Even it's occupying that energy level value in 46 cycle.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it will be clear now. Again, I am going to calculation energy. Can you see my cursor? Can you see
Yes,
my
sir.
cursor?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes? I
Yes,
am
sir.
changing this iteration to 40. Right? I
Okay.
have changed iteration to 40. Right? But this molecule need 46 cycle because in 46 cycle, it has come out and gave the least energy value. Yes? But I gave less than 40. So what is going to happen? Start. So now you can see that the SCF not converged. Can you see here my cursor?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Not converged.
Not converged. Why?
Because it is too less.
It is less than 46, right? Because 46 cycle
Oh.
only this molecule needed to give that least energy value.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
But how will we know it is 46, sir? It's not given anywhere.